For yogurt fish curry, we need 500 grams of fish, 5 cloves of garlic, 5 green chillies, 1 onion, 4 teaspoons of mustard seeds, 2 cups of yogurt, 1 teaspoon of cumin seeds, curry leaves, turmeric powder, salt to taste, half cup of oil. In a blender, make a paste of mustard seeds, garlic and green chilies. Now heat some oil in the pan. Add mustard seeds, sliced onions, chopped green chilies, stir it. Now add curry leaves, then add fish to it. Turn the fish. Now add mustard paste mixed with yogurt. Mix it properly. Add some water. Add salt. And mix. Now cover the lid. Our yogurt fish curry is now ready to serve. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more recipes like this.